I'm with the Dream Team with Fox 13 and Mountain America Credit Union.
The Dalton Casey kids had too much to see to also listen to whatever the news guy was saying. And if any kids and moms needed a good day, well, let's go back to November 13th.
We're hearing from one neighbor after a house fire in West Jordan left a family of 7 without a home last week. The Dalton Casey family is well known in that neighborhood. They have 1 biological child and they've adopted 4 others. The family lost nearly everything, including precious family photos and memories.
They've always put other people before themselves. Their house is always open for people to come eat dinner.
Melinda Dalton Casey's wife, Jennifer, reads her letter nominating Melinda for a Dream Team surprise.
She's raising 5 kids with autism, and she's been a caregiver for over 30 years supporting people with disabilities. Melinda provides dinners for those in need, for those just looking for a hot meal. She would give the clothes off her back to someone in need.
Is it hard to hear that kind of thing about yourself?
It is hard to hear it because I just...
You don't want to be the center of attention.
I don't. I don't. I want to do good in this world, and I want to. There needs to be people that put it out into this world.
4 awesome blankets donated from Minky Couture.
Liv Carr from Mountain America Credit Union understands the good Melinda does. She herself comes from a loving family, including adopted siblings.
We got the
Did you see
PS5.
this over here? The
PS5? Melinda, for you and your wife, we have $1,000 cash for you.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Please. Oh, thank you.
The gifts, really little injections of hope, signs that the fire may have taken a lot, but not their safe place, because that safe place is each other. And it was threatened far worse before 2 new moms and a new sister came along.
Did you take all of the kids at once?
We did.
Are they siblings?
They are. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, they are.
That is such a gift.
They really are a whole world, and
they're smart and they're fun.
They are very smart.
It's a drug.
The kind of immediate change caused by a fire hits people with autism especially hard. Loss of routine, uncertainty, and adjusting to new temporary surroundings, they cause little breaks to what Melinda and Jennifer have given their life to. But you could call them a dream team.
Thank you so much.
Another hug.
Yes.
Thank you. 3-way hug. Yay.
Giving their lives to treasures you can only build up with time, patience, and love. And they have those tools still, and with a little help, they'll make a comeback. In West Jordan, for the Fox 13 Dream Team, I'm Max Roth.